time's that gas station open? At Walmart. Any idea? How late does this gas station, or when does this gas station open actually? Because I mean, it's not even 7 o'clock yet. It's like 6:34.
You can ask them.
Well, it's more of a curiosity than anything I need to know.
So, it's really early and I can't believe you're up. I thought I would call since I saw on 360 you were moving. Where are you headed?
Oh, you're going down to Pine Bluff.
Oh, okay. We're going up to the goat trail, so hopefully.
Oh, I wished I was going with you, although I don't know that I'd do well today.
Me too.
But she's going to go hike the goat trail.
So.
He looks at me and goes, we've already done that. I know.
We have two, but it's been 2 years
We have
since
two,
I've
it's been a
been.
while.
Yeah, it's been 2 years. It was the first hike I ever went on with Patrick, so.
I cannot believe that was your first hike.
So yeah, wish me luck.
Yeah, you got it now.
All right, well, y'all have a good day.
Me feeling crummy. I think I'd have trouble coming out.
Yeah, it's not going to be easy for me either. I remember that climb out was pretty hard.
It's just like it never stops. There's not a break where you go straight for just a minute. Not even a minute. I'm like, dang.
And
To here, it's still going up, up, up.
Patrick went straight up it without stopping and then sat down and recorded me the rest of the way. As I was cursing him.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Getting there. I think Patrick said 5 weeks till hiking
Well,
season starts.
less, yeah, about 5, I guess.
Well, I think it was a week ago when you said that,
Yeah,
so
about
maybe
a month.
4. About a month.
When's it official?
In about a month.
Well, there's
Okay.
no official.
Well, there's not really an official, but it's an ish. An ish.
Okay.
Whenever it gets cool,
Whenever it gets cool, I guess.
that's when hiking season
Gotcha.
starts.
Okay.
All
That
right.
makes sense. All right. Y'all
Bye.
be good. Have fun.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
good.
Oh, this is the infamous rock where I sat and couldn't breathe.
No, it's on
Huh?
down there.
Oh. Well, it has been 2 years since I've been here. Take a picture and keep it the same. I'm going to tell her something. Hang on. I know you're...
Well, you only need your boots really for, you know, kind of thick stuff, a lot of water, and we're not going to have any of that. You'll have mostly, like, this is an old road.
Right here? Or right
Yeah.
here?
Yeah, they used to drive vehicles down this. It used to,
Trucks, I guess you can
no,
see.
it used to be probably a little wider through here and maybe not quite as torn up. But yeah, this is an old road.
And where did it take them to?
All the way down to the river there. There used to be all sorts of roads through here. Like right here, you see this?
Yeah.
Well, no, actually, I'm sorry. It's,
Is that washed out from the rain?
yeah, it's a little drainage. But up here somewhere, there is a little trail marker, or there used to be, that takes you to another trail that goes above Cliff Hollow. And that takes you above, or to, or yeah, above Roark Bluff. Yeah.
Is it?
Well, you got a couple of things in there. Nothing crazy though. Well, good morning everybody. Today Lucy and I have returned to the goat trail on Big Bluff. And we are going to go down, take in a couple of views, get our exercise, all that fun stuff. We have gone 0.4 of a mile, so half mile maybe, and it's going to be a nice day. There is a little bit of a chance of rain, but nothing crazy, so should be okay. Should get up into the upper 80s, but we have a lot of tree cover for the most part, so no, we shouldn't be burning alive in the direct sunlight. Anyway, that is it for now. I'll check back in with you soon with some views and whatnot of the area, as I always do. So I'll talk to you later.
Can't wait to set me up.
Do what?
Can't wait to set me up. I caught a spider web with my foot instead of my face. Do you think it will get more crowded as it gets later in the
Yes,
day?
absolutely it will. I mean, it's Labor Day weekend,
They're probably out in the beach.
and no, not necessarily.
Most people do things not like what we do.
I don't know, they're just not lucky like us.
There are lots of footprints on here.
Yes, there are. Well, it's a well-traveled path.
I bet you're going to hike in a skirt, that long skirt. That's it. You kind of get more support.
Yeah, just watch out on these rocks,
I know I've gotten spoiled.
because you can
Flat terrain.
easily twist a knee.
It's going to slow you down.
Well, it's supposed to. Yeah.
I've gotten spoiled by rock.
Yep. A little tougher terrain today.
Why?
See, look at this. This is so annoying. You know what this is? You know what this is? That's dog poo because it has little paw prints on it. And people bag their...
Why not just leave it if they're gonna do that?
You're better off just letting the dog poop and be done with it than putting plastic in. You're making the situation... Whoa, about slipped.
Okay?
Yeah, I slipped on some loose gravel. But that just so annoys me.
It's cool how that tree's become a nice step. Did they fill that in with dirt?
No, it just kind of happened. Okay, here is the intersection.
Which way do you go? He's on his
Yeah.
phone.
Those horses?
I saw.
No, there's people. Those are the people that pulled in the parking lot behind
I
us.
saw horses.
So,
Horse manure earlier. Is this the way we go then?
yeah, we go down here.
What is the other route?
That's the Center Point Trail. It'll take you on down to the Buffalo River and to Granny Henderson's
Okay.
from up here.
But you can get to Granny Henderson's from another way.
Someone's camping.
You scared me. Can't
See
be
that?
Is that
It's a hammock.
a hanging? Good Lord, it looks like they're sleeping like this. Look.
Yeah.
Looks like they're like this.
That's the way hammocks are.
That would hurt my back.
Okay. Let's
Oh,
go.
I see it now. I was looking at it from the wrong angle. I wouldn't want to camp so close to people.
No, that's fine.
It would just weird me out. For real. Everybody hearing me snoring.
Those are those people in the van.
Oh, she was hiking.
Yeah, they were waiting for others. Come on, sweetie.
So loud.
And they're moving faster than we are.
I don't know if I need it low going down, but I'll try.
Yeah, you do.
I mean,
You don't want.
it's almost like I'm thinking, why didn't I do that before? But going downhill, I might need it higher.
Well, no, lower your center of gravity.
Give me support.
Yeah, I always go low like that.
I wonder if we should just let them pass us.
Yeah, they'll catch us here in a minute. We just watch your step.
I know.
You don't worry about anything else.
I'm gonna get over to the side down here. And let them pass. I'm gonna just get right here.
That's fine. Let them pass.
Y'all are faster than us, so I'm gonna let you. Good morning.
Morning. Okay, here, let's go.
Yeah.
Down there.
Realize that.
Here, no. Just be doubly sure of where you're stepping. Stop if you have to and look at your foot placement.
I won't take a picture.
You can on the way back.
Hmm?
You can on the way back.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Jeez.
Do you have your camera on?
Yes, I caught that.
Yay.
Sure, your sister. No, no, no. That's video gold right there.
That was dangerous. It would have been a dangerous place to fall.
Yeah, all of this is a dangerous place
My balance.
to fall.
My muscles. My calf.
It is. Hang on, just a second. Here, let them. Here, babe, come over here. Come over here.
Stand here.
Doesn't that look fake?
Almost.
Be careful with that heavy backpack. Man,
Here.
God, I feel old. Wow, that's so pretty. I wonder if it'll be that pretty.
Yeah, it should be pretty accurate.
Panoramic one.
Well, here, I'll tell you what, the better place to do that.
Just, I'll do it real quick.
All right.
I don't listen to you.
I know.
There's people in front of us anyway.
That is a low river. No, why are you doing that?
I was trying to find a better way down.
Well, I was going to help you down.
There.
All right. Now, this is the sketchiest part right here.
I don't want to be a statistic.
No, you don't. Now, hang on, slow down. This is the other sketchy part. You got these little...
I remember hitting my head. Are those little bugs? Or...
No, I don't know. Yeah, they are, probably. All right. Okay.
I just want to keep taking pictures.
Well, do not take a picture and walk off of the edge at the same time.
Okay.
Just stay to the left.
Right, so where's my phone here?
Okay. Just keep going. A little closer to the left.
I'm going to keep my backpack on. Yes. Feels better.
Hang on, there's this little place where we have to... Here, you want to go down. Here.
Okay. Tree. Pretty sketchy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now, another sketchy part right here. Stay, lean left.
God,
What?
the necklace is eating my hair.
Don't worry about that. Worry about your feet.
Big chunk out. Might need to take it off.
You might. Okay. Now we gotta go over here and we gotta jump up on this next shelf.
Do we need to put our poles up?
No.
Hold them.
You're gonna hand me your...
Rose bush?
Huh?
That's a rose bush.
Could be.
See this little
Yeah.
bush?
Yeah, I see him. All right, right here.
Oh, this is where I hit my head.
Yep. So I'm going to set that there, and then I'm going to...
Can you climb up from this tree over here?
Huh?
Can you climb up from this tree over here?
You got to keep your head low.
I don't know if I can get up.
You can. You've done. Hang on. Let me get in.
I can see my stuff.
Well.
Smaller stuff.
All right.
I feel like I should climb up by the tree.
Just no. Just trust me.
Wherever we climb up.
Okay. Put your.
Hit my head.
Wait. Would you wait a
I'm
second?
not gonna do anything without you. I can't.
Okay. Just keep your head down. I got you. Keep your head down.
I got it.
All right. Watch your head.
Okay, I'm good. I got it. Thank you.
All right. All right. Let's go.
I'll hold my pole if you want. You got it, my pole.
Here we go. All right.
Is this where we sat?
Huh?
Is this where we sat?
Could be.
I don't think so.
No, it's on. It's actually on down here.
I don't remember.
You just gonna get rid of a lot of them?
Yeah, I'm deleting them.
Okay.
Out of room. You know, it means it's time for a new phone, probably. Do I have to delete them somewhere else too?
You have to wait till you have a connection.
I deleted 112 today, but I deleted like 500 like yesterday.
I don't know.
That should give me plenty of room. I don't understand.
I don't either.
And I'm taking off, I don't know how many apps. Just took off the podcast thing.
Okay. That should get you some space. All right, we are walking to the east end of the goat trail. Let's see what we got here. Boy, it's been a little while since I've been here. What is this? Look at this. Look at people carving this in here. What?
What?
Look at this. I don't know what that yellow is. Is it chalk?
There are initials in there.
Yeah. Who would, why do you want to carve your stupid initials? I mean, there's more examples over here too. Daggum, up here. Graffiti, why? Why? It makes no sense. Not really a cave, it's, well, it's a little bit of one. Shelter is more accurate.
We sat somewhere and had lunch.
Yeah, it wasn't here, it was back there.
Yeah. Seems like I remember walking by here though. I don't know. It's 2 years, that's a long time.
Yeah. Well, there used to be a big, like, smoke or a fire ring
Wouldn't it be
right
nice
there, and it looks
if
like,
people camp right here? That would be
yeah,
fun.
Robert's camped right over there.
That's fun. That would be fun. I would do that.
But if you got a fire going, look at the ceiling.
Yeah.
That fire or that smoke tends to gather in here, and the air quality is pretty bad when that
Where
happens.
do they get all the wood from?
Oh, just down here at the other end. But that would be a cool place to camp if there was like a thunderstorm. Ooh, now that's... Why would you have a fire here?
Probably because
That-
it was smoking them out over there.
That's kind of weird. I don't understand that at all.
Is there a shortcut to somewhere?
Huh?
Can you crawl up through there? Where is it? I mean, shortcut?
Well, I mean, yeah, you could probably crawl up there, but I know an easier way. See, this is the eastmost part of the goat trail.
This part right here. Where we go?
Yeah, well, yeah, we can go, let's go down here. You can go up there and you can actually go around.
Here, didn't we?
Huh?
We stopped here.
Yeah, we probably did. But you can go up and around and get to the top of
I
the
feel like I remember
Big Bluff.
being right there. But that's it. I don't remember.
Yeah, down here, I'll show you.
I wonder how far Sandy and Philip went.
I have no idea. Now, here's a good view right here. See, Cliff Hollow is right over there. And there's a trail that goes right along there. What's the name of that trail? Forgot. But you can drop down and there's a little, I think it might be right there. You could actually camp and it overlooks the buffalo. But you have to bushwhack. There's no trail. You have to navigate.
What's that for?
Just a trail marker.
I saw the sign up there.
Well, look up here to your left. See that little
Oh, yeah,
path?
campsite.
Yeah, this is where some people camp. It's kind of a tough place to camp. I mean, you got a few areas in here you could throw up a tent.
Look at this.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
That would probably be gold to someone on a loan. For real.
Probably would be.
They could cook up little pieces of meat in the edge there.
There's another little,
Look, there's the other part of it.
yeah, it looks like it got too hot
Yeah,
and broke.
there's another piece of it.
Yeah, just leave it in there. But yeah, but you can camp in here. It's just
Fine. Not
but-
much wind up here though, or is it just not wind today?
it's not much wind today. There can be a little bit of a breeze, but what I don't know about is, I mean, you got a few sites in here you could probably camp, but I don't know. It'd be hard to find a,
Much better today than it was last weekend.
yeah.
It was the last 2 weekends that we went were so bad. It's much better today. It's starting to get humid and wet. I think that's not humid. I'm starting to get sweaty. Yeah.
Okay, go to the right.
Why?
Well, okay.
That's the end. Is this the end of it? So
What? No, it goes,
How far does it go?
see the trail goes on. Well, we don't want to follow the trail. It'll take you all the way down the river.
Okay.
And we don't want to go all the way down there.
How far Sandy and Philip went?
I don't know. But, yeah. See, there's Cliff Hollow right over there.
Okay.
So, I think we came in from right over there.
I just thought I remembered you and I sitting in a cave.
Well, it was a shelter.
Yeah.
It wasn't a cave.
Well, you know what I mean.
But,
I just don't remember where we had lunch. Alright then, I guess then I'll need to pull out my soda and have a sip of it before I head back.
okay.
I'll do it up here. How far have we gone?
3.7 miles.
Awesome.
So it's going to be about an 8-mile trip.
Awesome.
Well, you really going to say awesome on the way back up?
Right.
think I'll go in my bare feet and walk until they start to bleed, so you can see how far you are from me. Sorrow starts to flood my eyes. There's never room for compromise when choosing love that